10 beautiful flowering plants that bloom all year round.
1. Jasmine. Jasmine is a timeless classic in the world of flowering plants. Its soft white blooms carry a heavenly scent that fills the garden with calm and freshness. Jasmine loves warm sunlight and well-drained soil. It's also a favorite of bees and butterflies, making your garden more alive. Whether you plant it along a fence or let it climb over a trellis, jasmine brings both beauty and fragrance to your space all year round. 2. Rose. Roses are known as the queen of flowers for a reason. They are elegant, diverse, and always in style. From deep red to pure white, soft pinks to vibrant yellows, roses bloom in a wide range of colors and varieties. Modern rose hybrids can bloom year-round with just a bit of care, regular pruning, good sunlight, and rich soil. You can grow them in beds, pots, or climbers, and they'll always reward you with classic beauty. 3. Hibiscus. With its large, tropical-looking blooms, hibiscus adds a bold splash of color. It thrives in full sun and warm climates, producing big, trumpet-shaped flowers in shades of red, yellow, pink, and white. Hibiscus is a fast-growing shrub that can bloom daily when healthy. It's perfect for outdoor gardens, patios, and even balcony planters. 4. Marigold. Bright, cheerful, and almost effortless to grow, marigolds are true garden heroes. Their bright orange and yellow blooms add warmth to every corner of the garden. Marigolds are not just beautiful but also useful. They repel certain garden pests and attract pollinators like bees. They bloom consistently across seasons and love sunny locations with moderate watering. 5. Petunia. Petunias are loved for their colorful, trumpet-shaped flowers and easy-growing nature. They come in solid colors, stripes, and even speckled patterns, perfect for adding visual interest. Ideal for hanging baskets, pots, or ground cover, petunias bloom best in full sunlight. With regular deadheading and light feeding, petunias will bloom non-stop throughout the year. 6. Verbena. If you're looking for a plant that spreads beauty and invites butterflies, verbena is the one. Its small clustered flowers come in purple, pink, red, and white, and bloom profusely throughout the year. Verbena is heat-tolerant and drought-resistant, making it ideal for dry climates. It can trail over edges of pots or create a beautiful carpet of color in garden beds. 7. Portulaca, moss rose. Portulaca, also known as moss rose, is a sun-loving plant with bright, rose-like flowers. It's a low-growing, drought-tolerant plant that thrives in poor soils where other plants may struggle. Its blooms close at night and open with the sunlight, creating a daily cycle of fresh color. Perfect for borders, rock gardens, or hanging pots, Portulaca offers beauty with minimal care. 8. Begonia. Begonias are elegant and versatile flowering plants. They grow well in partial shade, making them perfect for indoor spaces, balconies, and shaded garden spots. Their glossy leaves and bright blooms in red, pink, and white offer a striking contrast. Begonias also come in wax leaf, tuberous, and cane types, each adding a unique charm. With gentle care, begonias keep blooming all year and brighten up any dull corner. 19. Geranium. Geraniums are both practical and beautiful. They bloom in clusters of red, pink, purple, or white and are known for their mild fragrance. Besides their visual appeal, they help keep mosquitoes away, making them great for patios and windowsills. Geraniums prefer a sunny spot and slightly dry soil. With occasional pruning and feeding, they bloom reliably year-round. In Vinca 9-10. Vinca, Periwinkle, Vinca or periwinkle is a hardy and ever-blooming plant that lives up to its name. It requires very little maintenance, tolerates heat, and continues to bloom in full sun or partial shade. Its blooms range from soft lavender and pink to bright white. Vinca is ideal for ground cover or pot arrangements, and once it's settled, it practically grows on its own, making it perfect for beginner gardeners. Imber Enlave 10. Final thoughts. Having a garden full of colour and life doesn't require waiting for spring or summer. These 10 beautiful flowering plants prove that with the right choices, your garden can bloom every single day of the year. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, adding even a few of these plants can bring continuous joy and natural beauty to your space. Which of these flowers do you already grow, and which one are you planning to add next?